Hello everybody, my name is Ken Steele Opinions. Today's the day before this needs to be turned in. So pardon the voice and welcome to part 1. Part 1 will consist of the construction, the bisection of segments and angles. I will also be using this peanut butter and cheese sandwich to demonstrate the subjects throughout all the parts. This perfection sandwich will then be served to an anonymous person. And trust me, there will be a lot of sandwiches. To start off, to bisect a segment, you first need to take your compass and connect it to both endpoints. You will then need to make a semicircle towards the other endpoint, and do this again, vice versa. Oh wait, that's a sit down. Boom, right side up. Lastly, take your straight edge, and connect the touching endpoints. That perpendicular line that you made bisects the original line once used. Using this, your sandwich will now have a perfect toothpick with an olive in the middle of the sandwich. Yeah, I did the math. There you go. So part 2 of 1, part 1B, part something. I will now bisect an angle. What you do is you take the moon, you take the sun, and you take everything that seems like fun. And now to bisect an angle, take your compass and place it onto the vertex. Swing it towards the other points, but stay inside the angle. Make sure to label them. I labeled them E and D. Then place your compass. What did that say? Then place your compass on both, making sure that's the same length of E and D. Now make another arc for both, and swing it to the outside. I made a mistake and swing it to both. Whatever. Just yeah. Lastly, take your straight edge and draw a line going through the first arc and to the newly made intersection. The angle is now bisected. Using this for your sandwich, you now know where to start cutting to make that fancy triangle sandwiches. Just wait, off. Yeah, alright, that's good. Alright, oh, that's it. End part 1.